Offices can be a hub of productivity, but they can also be boring and dull at times. Luckily, there are plenty of gadgets available on Amazon that can add some fun and functionality to your workspace. These gadgets can make your work life easier, more efficient, and even more enjoyable. From smart pens to desk toys, there are endless options to choose from. So whether you're looking for a new way to keep your desk tidy or a fun distraction during a break, these office gadgets on Amazon have got you covered. In today's video, we will be showing you office gadgets on Amazon. Without further ado, let's begin. XT Design Window Emergency Solar Battery Charger. This solar window charger is easily attachable to your window. The outside of the charger catches the sunlight, while the smooth design inside spices up your interior and charges your electronic equipment. Contains a 5.5V and 1,800 mAh rechargeable lithium battery, which is said to take around 13 hours of direct sunlight to reach full charge. We can provide a big USB and a small USB output cable. 1,800 mAh can be used circularly 500 times. The internal battery can be fully charged via micro USB within 2 hours. It can be fully charged under direct strong sunlight for 10 to 15 hours. There is suction around this solar charger, which enables it to be sucked onto the window of the car or your home. Wi-Fi Scanner Wand. Wi-Fi Portable Document and Photo Scanner from Brookstone. Make one-touch e-copies in seconds. Effortlessly download it to your Wi-Fi-enabled computer or tablet. Scans up to 900 pi in JPEG or PDF format. Cord-free downloading to any Wi-Fi-enabled computer. Also stores images on a microSD card. Not included. Up to 32 GB cordless and rechargeable. Uses to AA batteries. Not included. Compatible with Windows 7, Vista and Mac OS X 10.4 Plus. This cordless portable wand works like magic. Finally, archiving mountains of photos and documents is simple. No bulky equipment, no complicated cords and cables. Just touch a single button on our Wi-Fi portable scanner. Photo quality scans are downloaded wirelessly to any Wi-Fi enabled tablet or computer, or saved on a microSD memory card smaller than a stamp. Any LUES 8.5 inches LCD writing tablet with lock function office whiteboard. Paper memos are often overlooked and are also wasteful and potentially costly over time. Instead of relying on paper memos that just get tossed to the trash, opt for a high-tech memo board, like this LCD writing tablet. This LCD writing tablet provides much brighter writing than the old version and enjoys longer service life. Suitable for kids aged 3 months plus. Anti-erasure lock on the back of the drawing board prevents accidental deletion of writing contents. With a screw mounted on the battery case, children's safety can be ensured when they are using this doodleboard. Suitable for kids aged 3 plus. Blue Lounge Cable Drop. Cable drops grasp peripheral cables to keep them in place, routed, and within reach wherever you may need them. These small drops put an end to the insanity of chasing cables that seem to slip and disappear behind every flat surface, day after day. Cable drops affixed to desks, walls, and nightstands to keep your cables in place so they're there when you need them. Simply peel and stick cable drops to any smooth, flat surface. Nothing can stress out a Type A person more than walking into an office to see cluttered desks full of tangled-up cords. Cable organizers like these are affordable and can be bought in bulk, and will allow your team to have a neat, clutter-free, tangle-free workspace. Ember Temperature Control Smart Mug. Ember is a design-led temperature control brand. The Ember ceramic mug is beautifully designed to be used in your home or at your desk and keeps your beverages at the perfect temperature from the first sip to the last drop. The Ember ceramic mug connects to the Ember app, allowing you to set your perfect temperature and notify you when it's reached. Personalize your LED color and create temperature presets for your favorite drinks. A fully charged Ember ceramic mug will keep your drink at your preferred temperature for about an hour. Use the included charging coaster to make it last all day. Logitech Washable Keyboard. Easy to clean and dry with a hand wash-safe design. Built to take a washing and pounding, durable keys with laser printing and UV coating. The familiar keyboard layout and the clean contemporary design feel and look great. Plug the keyboard into your computer and start typing. No software to install. Instantly access email, launch a web search, or pause music with one touch. There are several washable keyboards out there, but Logitech's is a great option. It's durable and can even be soaked in water and dish soap when a full cup of tea goes tumbling directly on top of it. Soda and coffee spills are inevitable, And with washable keyboards, you won't be sentencing an employee to an eternally sticky keyboard after a small mishap. Jabra Speak 410 Portable USB Conference Speakerphone. Hold important business meetings anywhere with the Jabra Speak 410 Portable USB Conference Speakerphone. Delivering high-quality sound and capturing voices with clarity, it's suitable for meetings in an office or public environment. Moreover, this wired conference speakerphone boasts a 360-degree omnidirectional microphone. This way, attendees can hear and others can hear them from all angles, and it's ideal for up to 4 people. In fact, you can speak naturally without having to raise your voice or move closer to the microphone to communicate. Furthermore, the Jabra Speak 410 utilizes digital signal processing technology for clear sound without echoes or distortion, even at maximum volume. Finally, using a USB cable for connectivity, this gadget connects to various devices including a phone, a tablet, or a laptop. Plummet Ballpoint Draws. If you handwrite for work or pleasure, you need a pen that's ergonomic. Now you can write with style and precision when you have the Plummet ballpoint. It draws its inspiration from a fishing float with its low center of mass to not only offer a unique shape but a lightweight one. In fact, made of aluminum, it's less than 20 grams in weight to feel comfortable in your hand while offering stability. Moreover, the Plummet ballpoint features a twist mechanism with a smooth structure. ScanMarker Air Pen Scanner, OCR Digital Highlighter. Scans 3,000 characters per minute. Full line of text within 1 second. Create summaries faster than ever before. Just slide your handheld scanning pen across a line of printed text and watch it appear instantly on your screen. Super accurate and fast multilingual OCR text scanner ideal for students and professionals. Scan directly into any computer application of your choice, Word, or into our intuitive mobile apps. The ScanMarker app will read the text back to you in real time while scanning. Aids with memorization and reading comprehension, and is an effective assistive tool for those with dyslexia or other reading difficulties. Scan and edit on the go. Pause Me Zoom button controls. Make video conferencing that much easier with the Pause Me video conferencing button. Designed to control your video and microphones, it makes it easy to improve your virtual Zoom meetings. This video and microphone controller seamlessly toggles between on and off settings for both your video and microphone. So you can instantly stop your video from being visible if a family member or pet walks on screen and you'd prefer privacy. Likewise, if someone's yelling at you from across the house, simply pause the mic using pausing. Keep your business and personal life as separate as you want with this Bluetooth-enabled gadget. It works without any downloads or software. Overall, with a mobile design, this easy-to-use button supports working on the go. So guys, let me know your thoughts in the comments section below. For more interesting content, give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more awesome content. Have a nice day, and I will see you in the next video.